Hello YouTube, my name is Vidu and today I am going to do a hands-on review of Dialog 4G Wi-Fi router model E5172BS-925, and as you can see I just took it out from the box and this is the box looks like. On the side of the box it shows us the key features of the router and system requirements. You need to have Windows XP or Windows 7, Windows Vista or Windows 8, and of course on Mac OS. And on the top of it they have the Wi-Fi enabled, one voice port, one data port, and their contact details. So now I'm going to open the box. This is the power adapter and this is the antenna, the network cable and the router, and of course you have the user manual and safety information guide, and your SIM card, and the SIM card number. And in this small booklet, user manual, they have included the contents of this package, and of course you need to read the instructions before using this, and if you know how to use a Wi-Fi router it will be not necessary. And this is the router. This is the back of it, and you can connect the antenna here, on off switch, network cable and phone line. And in the front they have their branding logo and these indicators: power bulb, wireless LAN bulb, WPS, LAN, voice, and the signal coverage. Here it says wireless LAN, WPS switch and reset button. As you can see here it says minimum signal strength of 3 bars should be there. Altogether there are 4 bars. You have to have 3 bars in order to gain this 4G coverage perfectly. And here is the place that you can place your battery and the SIM card. SIM card is already included when I am buying the router. In the bottom of the router it shows us the Wi-Fi web interface username, password, Wi-Fi SSID and the password. And this is the safety information guide. I'm getting it out, the power adapter. It's quite heavy. And these are the all parts of this package, and now I'm going to check one by one each item whether it's in the package. LTE CPE, yeah, I have it, and power adapter, yes. Quick start guide, this one, safety information, network cable. Battery is not included, it says optional. And the finally external antenna. Yeah, all of the items are there except the battery. Battery, of course, we have to buy it separately, either from Dialog or some other branded one. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to like. You can always contact me on Facebook, Google+, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram and Pinterest. Hey, can you see this big black box which says next video on it? Click on that one to watch my next video. Oh, if you can still hear my voice, that means you haven't clicked any of these buttons. Okay, are you feeling lazy to click any of these icons? Alright then, click on subscribe. 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 Subscribe.